Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel. MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Range Rover Sport L320 and how to change the brake light switch. And this method is pretty identical to the Land Rover LR3 as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started on switching this brake light switch. So here's the panel we're going to be working under. It's right underneath the steering wheel. So the easiest way to remove this panel is insert your finger right here and pull down just like that. And you're going to do the same thing right here. Just grab it and pull. Here's the panel that we just removed, and we were pulling it down just like this. And these are the two retainer clips that are holding it in place. And these right down here are very hard plastic tabbings that slide underneath. So it's very simple to take out. You just got to give it a little bit of an extra pull, but it does come right out. With the panel out of the way, we got clear access, which now I'm going to show you close up. Locate your brake pedal and just locate this metal going back, which is going up here. If you look through this cutout, you're going to see that white and blue part right there. That's our brake light switch. And to remove it, we're going to stick our hand in and turn it anti-clockwise. So it's like this. We're just going to twist it up. Just like that. And then just grab the brake light switch, which is right here. Now that it's free, you're going to remove the wiring behind it, and there's the wiring. You're just going to push this button and pull it out. And just like that, the brake light switch comes out. And now to replace it with the new part. Here's the new replacement part, and it's pretty straightforward. We're going to connect the wiring to it, insert it back into the same position on how we removed it. So it was like this, and then once it's in, you're going to turn it, and it should sit and lock in position like this. And then twist it. Just like that, the new part is installed. And now I'm going to reinstall this cover and test the new brake light switch. Just like that, bring it up and give it a push. Just like that, and it's locked into place. Swapping the brake light switch was a success. My tail lights and my brake lights are working completely fine now. Anytime I press the brake light comes right on. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to hit the like and share button. And if you guys want to see more videos on this Range Rover and my other vehicles, please make sure to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.